A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to EVS class. Children, in EVS chapter 8, our festivals is completed. We have done the chapter nicely and I have explained you each and every line from the chapter. So children, what we will be doing today? Today we will be reading the chapter thoroughly and then as usual I'll explain you the back exercises which are given in your book. And you have to fill those exercises in your book. So let's start reading. Chapter 8, Our Festivals. Festivals are the time to rejoice. People celebrate different festivals all over the world. We in India celebrate more festivals than anywhere else in the world because we have people of different communities and cultures living together in our country. Some festivals in India are celebrated by everyone while some are celebrated by certain groups of society. We can categorize festivals into national festivals, harvest festivals, religious festivals. National festivals. National festivals are celebrated by everyone. They are also symbols of unity of our country. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. Independence Day. India celebrates Independence Day on 15th August every year. On this day, in 1947, our country got freedom from British rule. Many people died fighting for the freedom of our country. We remember those freedom fighters on this day. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi and speaks to the nation, giving a special message of peace and progress. Republic Day. On 26th of January 1950, India became a republic. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force. To celebrate it, every year a big parade is held in Delhi, which showcases the military might of the country and also its cultural diversity. This parade starts from Vijay Chowk near Rashtrapati Bhavan. The soldiers of all three armed forces march down the Rajpath. Beautiful tableaux from various states and cultural dance performances by school children also participate in this parade. Our president takes the salute from the parade. The parade ends at the Red Fort. Gandhi Jayanti. Birth anniversary of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, is celebrated every year on 2nd of October. He was lovingly called Bapu. Prayer meetings are held everywhere, especially at his Samadhi Rajghat in Delhi. Harvest festivals. Festivals which are celebrated on the reaping, cutting and gathering of the crops are called harvest festivals. Many states in our country celebrate harvest festivals. Some of the harvest festivals are mentioned below. Bihu. Bihu is celebrated in Assam. It is celebrated in the month of January. It is a very popular festival of Northeast India. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is celebrated in Punjab. It is celebrated in the month of April. Wheat crops are harvested at this time of the year. Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala during the month of August or September. During this festival, snake boat races are held. Many people visit Kerala at this time of the year to enjoy these races. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu in January. It is celebrated for 3 days. The rain god is worshipped on the first day, the sun god on the second, and the cattle god on the third day. Religious festivals. India is proud to be a secular state where all religions are respected. We celebrate our religious festivals with great pomp and show. Holi. It is the festival of colors celebrated in the month of March. People apply gulal or colored powder on each other and exchange sweets. It marks the victory of good over evil. Tej. Monsoon brings the festival of Tej. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Young girls and ladies apply henna on their hands and sing songs while enjoying on the swings. Janmashtami. The birth of Lord Krishna is celebrated as Janmashtami. People make models and tableaus showing the story of Lord Krishna's birth and life. Temples are decorated beautifully. People sing and dance till midnight. Ganesh Chaturthi. It is a popular festival in Maharashtra. It is celebrated in the honor of Lord Ganesha. Big processions are set up and idols of Lord Ganesha are placed everywhere for people to pray. At the end of the celebration, the idols are immersed in water. Eid ul Fitr. This festival is celebrated to mark the end of the holy month of Ramzan. During Ramzan, Muslims fast for 30 days. On this day, they wear new clothes and go to the mosque. Special namaz is offered. Sevaiya is made and distributed on this day. Eid ul Zuha. It marks the obedience of Ibrahim to the will of God. To celebrate Eid ul Zuha, Muslims sacrifice a goat or a lamb as a symbol of Ibrahim's great sacrifice. They also pray, feast, and rejoice on this day. Dashahara. Dashahara marks the victory of good over evil. Thus, it is also known as Vijayadashmi. It is celebrated to mark the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana, the king of Lanka. The celebrations last for 10 days. Ramlila is staged during these days. These days are considered very auspicious in our country and are called Navratras. In the West Bengal, these days are celebrated as Durga Puja. Diwali. 20 days after Dashera, we celebrate Diwali or Deepavali, the festival of lights. This marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile in the forest. People light lamps and burst fireworks. They feast and rejoice. Special prayers are offered to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. People clean their houses and decorate them as well. Businessmen and traders close their previous year's accounts and celebrate Diwali Eve as New Year. Gurpurab. Gurpurabs are the special days celebrated by the Sikhs. Birthdays of Sikh Gurus are celebrated as Gurpurabs. The Sikhs have 10 Gurus. The birthday of the first Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, is celebrated as Guru Nanak Jayanti. Huge processions are taken out on Guru Nanak Jayanti. People wear new clothes, go to the Gurudwara and sing hymns. All the Gurudwaras are decorated and people light fireworks. Langar or holy food is distributed in all the Gurudwaras. Martyrdom days of the 5th Guru, Guru Arjan Dev, and the 9th Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur, are marked as Shahidi Divas. Christmas. It is celebrated on the 25th of December every year by the Christians. It marks the birth of Jesus Christ. Special prayers are held in beautifully decorated churches. Christians decorate Christmas trees with stars and colored balls. At midnight, feasts are held and Christmas carols are sung. Children believe that Santa Claus brings gifts for them on this day. We can say that India is the country of colors, lights, and festivals. Festivals bring joys and exuberance in our lives. Things to remember. India is a land of festivals. Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are national festivals. Baisakhi, Pongal, Bihu and Onam are harvest festivals. Teej, Diwali, Holi, Eid, Gurpurab and Christmas are religious festivals. Festivals bring joy and exuberance in our lives. The chapter is completed. So children, now I am going to explain you the exercises which are given in your book on page number 60. Exercise number 1. Tick the correct option. Statements, ये आपको sentences read करने हैं और आपको 2 options दिए हैं हर sentence में. You have to choose the correct one and tick that one. A. गांधी जयंती और बिहू is a national festival. इन दोनों में से कौन सा नेशनल फेस्टिवल है, गांधी जयंती या बिहू? ऑब्लिक दिया है जिसमें बीच में 2 ऑप्शंस हैं, वो जो करेक्ट है उसको आपको टिक करना है. मैं फर्स्ट आपको बताती हूँ जिससे हमारा गांधी जयंती है या बिहू है. नेशनल फेस्टिवल कौन सा है हमारा? गांधी जयंती. तो गांधी जयंती इज द करेक्ट आंसर, तो हम इसे टिक कर देंगे. बी. Our constitution came into force on 15th August और 26th January. हमारा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन था वो कब लागू हुआ था? 15th अगस्त में या 26 जनवरी? यू हैव टू चूज द करेक्ट वन. सी. ओनम इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन केरला और तमिलनाडु. डी. गणेश चतुर्थी और दुर्गा पूजा इज अ पॉपुलर फेस्टिवल इन महाराष्ट्र. ई. तीज और दिवाली is also known as the festival of lights. Exercise number 2. Write the type of festival for each of the following. One has been done for you. आपके लिए एक करके दिखाया हुआ है यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल. आपको क्या करना है? रीड करना है ऑप्शंस को और उसके बाद क्या करना है? राइट द टाइप ऑफ फेस्टिवल फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. और इन सभी के लिए वो किस तरह का फेस्टिवल है, वो नेशनल फेस्टिवल है या वो हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल है या वो रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल है, किस टाइप का फेस्टिवल है वो. इन फेस्टिवल्स को रीड करना है और उसके बाद वो बताना है किस टाइप का फेस्टिवल और उसका नाम लिखना है उस टाइप का. जैसे गांधी जयंती किस टाइप का फेस्टिवल है? नेशनल फेस्टिवल, रिलीजियस या हार्वेस्ट? तो गांधी जयंती हमारा नेशनल फेस्टिवल, तो इसलिए इसके सामने लिखा हुआ है नेशनल. तो अब आपको बाकी फेस्टिवल्स रीड करके बताना है कि वो किस टाइप का फेस्टिवल है. ओनम, बैसाखी, गणेश चतुर्थी, बकरी ईद, तीज, पोंगल. बस इतना लिखना है. हार्वेस्ट है ये फेस्टिवल या रिलीजियस है या नेशनल है. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3. मैच द फॉलोइंग. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3 आपको मैच द फॉलोइंग करने हैं. ईद उल जुहा, शहीदी दिवस, क्रिसमस, विजयदशमी. ये फेस्टिवल्स किस रिलीजन से मैच करते हैं वो आपको मैच करना है. ठीक है, किस रिलीजन से बिलोंग करते हैं ये फेस्टिवल्स. ओके. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 4. स्टेट ट्रू और फॉल्स. जो ट्रू है उसके लिए आपको टी लिखना है, जो फॉल्स उसके लिए आपको एफ लिखना है. A. Martyrdom days of the Sikh Gurus are marked as Shahidi Divas. Is it true or false? B. Langar is served on the occasion of Janmashtami. C. Baisakhi is celebrated in the cold month of January. D. Ganesh Chaturthi is a very popular festival in Gujarat. E. Muslims sacrifice a goat to celebrate Eid ul-Zuha. Now exercise number 5. नेम दीज फेस्टिवल्स. आपको यहाँ पर क्लूज दिए हैं, ऑप्शंस दिए हैं और आपको इनको रीड करना है, इन क्लूज को, और बताना है कि ये कौन सा फेस्टिवल है. जैसे आपका ए है हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल्स ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट. हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया. नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया में जो हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है वो कौन सा है? एक ऑप्शन में आपको फर्स्ट वाला आंसर मैं आपको करके बताती हूँ. तो हमारा हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल जो कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया में सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है दैट इज बिहू. राइट. तो आपको इस तरह से उस फेस्टिवल का नाम लिखना है। बी, बर्थडे ऑफ जीसस क्राइस्ट। बर्थडे ऑफ जीसस क्राइस्ट कौन सा फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है इस दिन? सी, बर्थडे ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा। डी, हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल ऑफ तमिलनाडु। ई, फेस्टिवल टू सेलिब्रेट इंडियाज फ्रीडम फ्रॉम ब्रिटिश। एफ, बर्थडे ऑफ गुरु नानक। तो इन दिन कौन से फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं, उन फेस्टिवल्स का आपको यहाँ पर नेम राइट करना है। ओके, सो प्लीज रीड द चैप्टर 3 times, then do the exercises which are given in your book on page number 60 and 61. Exercise number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. ये 5 exercises आपको अपने बुक में फिल करनी है। प्लीज़ स्पेलिंग्स का ध्यान रखेंगे, कैपिटल लेटर्स, स्मॉल लेटर्स का ध्यान रखेंगे। सबसे पहले 3 times रीडिंग करेंगे, उसके बाद आप एक्सरसाइज फिल करेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन। Stay home, stay safe and stay happy.